am here once again in my lovely, lovely second home. Let me just show ya. I'm excited. It's my favorite thing to do. Just kidding. But I love it. So, I'll see you after. Sing it again? What?
Crazy.
Can you turn it down, please?
No way!
Why?
It's so cute, the Powerpuff Girls. Watch out, play crime and stomp at animals.
The Powerpuff Girls stop crime and stomp on animals?
No, cry.
They cry? How old are you?
3, 4, 5, 6.
What?
4, 5, 6, 4.
You're only 3. It is 1:30 and my hair is scary, but I just got home from David's probably a half hour ago, and I'm just hanging out with Carter, so I'll probably take him outside depending on how it is. It's kind of gloomy and cold today, so I don't know yet. We'll see. Carter, what are you doing? Show me. Kaylee, come look what he's doing.
Not my nose.
He's literally cutting them.
Oh, good job. You needed your nails cut. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Can I help?
Nope, I can't.
Carter, do you like that helmet? Look at me. Look at me. Oh, you're so cute. Now crazy hair. I want this pool. Carter's first time eating at Danimals, and he loves it. Right, Carter? Whoa.
I'm done. I want to eat the banana.
He wants to eat the banana one now.
He's eating them just like he eats yogurt.
He's trying to get him up. It's not in there.
Somebody.
I took a picture.
And that's Zuma?
That's Guy.
That's Sky. Who's this?
Uh-oh. I need this.
No, you don't need that.
No, we're all done. Who is this?
Ryder.
And who is this?
Let's do more. Let's do more.
There's a moving box. Is there somebody in there? What? It's walking. It has legs. What? What?
OMG. This is like tanning leather. Ah! Oh, don't scratch me, man. I just put some lotion on.
Oh no!
Needs a different shirt. And Auntie Raya needs to change because she is usually a
Ow.
Auntie Raya is
Hey, Grandma,
ugly right now.
That's mean.
you want to buy that?
No, I already bought it, but Grandma's doing something. Grandma's doing...
Have him sit on that bench or that wood in the picture.
You want that guy?
Sit down on that bench or in the woods.
Nice.
Good one.
It's nice.
That's nice. Crazy boy.
Sit down.
No.
No, stop. No.
Look at what this kid just did. Oh my God.
No.
You better get dressed. You're gonna get yelled at.
This is ridiculous. My dad's going all the way up there. He's trying to cut that tree, or that limb. I don't know. Oh my god. I'm going inside because I can't sit here and watch this. It scares me. Yep, I'm going in now. Goodbye. So of course I'm going tanning, and I wanted to do the high pressure. Their music is so loud here. What the hell is this? I have never seen a high pressure like this before, so I don't even know what to do with it. I don't even know how to lay on this. Like, this is weird. What? There's a cardinal, like, right there. It's so pretty. Aww. Oh my god. So pretty. My dad ended up cutting that branch off, getting it cut off, and Carter's playing on it. You being a monkey? Is that fun, you little monkey?
Hey!
What?
I'm doing not good.
Wow, you're strong. What? Hey, you almost had it.
Right?
Yeah, watch out for it. You better be careful.
I'm too scared of too much air.
Well, Carter cut me. It was an accident, but I am going to brush my teeth, and then Carter's sleeping with me tonight because it's Sunday, so I'm gonna brush my teeth and then go lay by him. He's already sleeping, so I'll get to watch my shows. But yep, thank you for watching. Bye.